Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing. On the application of Strava, we click on settings. You will go to settings here. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Strava app and you will click in this window. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.